So I was doing a earlier video on picking tomatoes. I had run across a tomato that had a cutworm on it. Picking tomatoes, I had run across a tomato that had a cutworm on it. And they don't like to be out in the sun, and kind of hard for me to find, but my grandkids can find them real easy. You put them young eyes on it. So I'm fixing to show you what they do, and we're fixing to show you a cutworm. So this is what they do. You can see they just eat the leaves off of it, and you can see they'll just be pooping everywhere on it, but they will devastate a tomato real quick. And like I said, they're a little bit hard for me to find. And if you look right there, that's your culprit. That is a cutworm. And you have to get a hold of them and pull them off. That's what you're dealing with. So you have to find them and pull them off, and sometimes it'll be more than just one. So that's why I say you got to walk your garden every day and look for them. And if you find them, pull them off and get rid of them.